This is RET Worldwide.
This is
Ken Jennings
POOPARDY. Let's meet today's contestant. An insurance claims examiner from San Angelo, Texas. A teaching artist at a museum from Brooklyn, New York. And a newspaper reporter from Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And now, here is the host of POOPARDY, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Johnny. Hey, listen, they're with me every day.
Johnny Gilbert speaking.
Oh, yeah. So, Chief, who are we after?
This is
Tiffany Tenfedle.
her last known whereabouts, Hawaii.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Shut up!
We can't! Or there were until today.
Tiffany Tenfedle.
Popped up at Memphis Palace. She pinched Presley's pink Cadillac, and before you could say
Oh, what?
"Now, don't be cruel, Gumshoes. Love
Tiffany Tenfedle.
and solve today's case."
Hey, you've got to
Be kidding.
Well, I think it means our producer's in heat.
What's this, bub?
It's next evening, dear.
When
Tiffany
piloted her pilot, she hopped off the pilot, whipped out her ass hammer, and then hauled it away. Gumshoes, pound poacher, and solve today's case. Nature.
Glorious.
Nature.
Thank you, Chief. Hey, Chief, what's up? What's the matter?
Well, they mixed up my naked club, and they sent me this.
And your,
Gun.
reggae Bella.
ABC has America's best comedies.
When you want the best, yeah, we got it. Ba, 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 woo. ABC is serving it up just the way you want it. And everybody's coming back for more of the kind of laugh that you've been looking for. America's watching ABC. We got
Oh, yeah. The round hit me.
You just might win.
Okay, guys, ready for a little... Okay, that sound is telling me that we have something coming in now from Acme Net. Let's check the...
TV spokesmodel.
Get him out of there.
Is nothing sacred anymore?
Singapore, so let's pick up the chase. Oh. Just had that screen put in there, but he's not. Okay. Okay. And just a reminder to everybody, all of our answers have been verified by
Burger King, the best food for fast times.
And
For our final clue, we check it from Acme.
I said Ukraine.
Way to go.
Tiffany Tenfedle.
Tim, start the music.
I feel good.
Yep.
You guys think you can do it? Yeah! Come on. Oh, 4 seconds is a tough map. Big round of applause, guys. Come here, Michael.
Brought to you by...
Please?
Get him out of there.
Major announcement today involving CBS and WHDH TV. In January,
What's this, bub?
It's next evening, dear.
When
Shut up!
We can't!
This is getting monotonous.
How many times do you have to hammer this shit in? I mean...
Now I know. Now I know. Now we know.
And knowing is